Most people think they're investing, but in reality, they're gambling with their money. Every day, countless people pour their hard-earned cash into stocks, crypto, or other assets, convinced they're building wealth. Yet without understanding the difference between investing and speculating, you might be throwing your future away on hope and hype. So what's the one major difference that separates real investors from mere speculators? It's simple, but life-changing. Investing is about value, speculating is about hope. Imagine two people. Alice buys a stock because she studied the company, analyzed its financials, understands its products, and believes it will grow steadily over the next 5 to 10 years. That's investing. Bob buys a stock because everyone on Reddit is talking about it. It might go to the moon, and he's hoping for a quick payday. That's speculating. The key difference is that investors control risk, while speculators chase reward. Investing is like planting a tree. You nurture it, water it, and let it grow. Speculating is like throwing seeds in the wind and hoping some land in fertile soil. One builds wealth, the other builds stress and often regret. Speculators are seduced by the thrill of high returns. They're looking for that triple-digit gain in a week, month, or year. Sometimes it happens, but more often it ends in losses. Investors, on the other hand, focus on minimizing losses and maximizing consistent growth. They understand that small, steady gains compound over time to create real wealth. If you make 20% gains in a year by carefully investing, and your losses are controlled, you can consistently grow your money. If you chase 100% gains in a week without understanding the risks, you might lose it all, and quickly. The one thing that separates investing from speculating is research and analysis. Investors dig into a company's balance sheet, revenue streams, market position, and long-term potential. They make informed decisions. Speculators react to trends, rumors, and hype, often driven by social media posts, news cycles, or hot tips. If your investment decisions are based on TikTok trends or Discord hype, you're speculating. If you're analyzing financial statements, PE ratios, and growth projections, you're investing. Time is another major differentiator. Investors are patient. They understand that wealth is built over years, not hours. Speculators want instant gratification. They check their portfolio every hour, desperate for a jump in price. The truth is, the longer you hold quality assets, the more predictable your returns. Speculation is gambling on short-term price swings, essentially betting against the market with odds stacked against you. Emotional control plays a huge role as well. Have you ever heard of someone panic selling during a market crash? That's the speculator at work. Investors plan for downturns. They expect volatility and don't let emotions dictate their actions. They buy when others panic and hold when others sell. Wealth is as much a mental game as a financial game, and controlling your emotions is critical to long-term success. Let's make it real. Consider the Bitcoin hype in 2017. Many speculators bought at $19,000, hoping for $50,000 the next week. Most panicked when it crashed to $3,000. Compare that to Apple stock from 2000 to 2020. Investors who bought $1,000 worth and held it saw it grow to over $200,000. No hype needed, just patience and understanding the company. The moral is clear. Investing grows wealth steadily. Speculating risks everything on hope. Want to start investing like a pro? Check out the links below to two of my all-time favorite investing books that can teach you how to spot opportunities and grow your wealth smartly. So how do you stop speculating and start investing? Shift your mindset from get rich fast to grow wealth smart. Start by doing your homework. Study companies, industries, and markets. Ignore the noise. Social media hype is not a financial strategy. Set a time horizon and think long term, not day to day. Diversify your holdings instead of betting everything on one stock or crypto. Finally, control your emotions and stick to your plan, even when the market screams. Starting with small steps, like holding one stock or fund for a year or two, is a massive improvement over speculating. If you remember only one thing today, let it be this. Investing is building wealth with informed decisions and patience. Speculating is gambling with hope and emotions. Ask yourself, are you planting trees or just throwing seeds into the wind? This isn't just about money. It's about your freedom, peace of mind, and ability to make choices without fear. Investors sleep well at night. Speculators stress over every tick on the screen. Most get-rich-quick schemes you see online are designed for speculators, not investors. If you want to win long-term, learn the difference and stick to investing. Your financial future is in your hands. Don't gamble it away. Start investing today and watch your wealth grow steadily while others chase illusions. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more future videos. Thanks for watching.